Okay, so now that the cupcakes are done, and I forgot to add the milk in, sorry, I have a dairy-free milk, some cashew milk in the fridge that I forgot to add into the cupcakes, so they turned out fine, but they will be a little bit dry, because they did actually hold together though. So anyway, now I'm going to be starting with the cream cheese frosting. And so this is the cream cheese. This is So Delicious Dairy-free cream cheese. Right here. So this is the plain. And now I'm going to be adding this into the mixer. As you can see, I am no longer using the paddle mixer. So then we're adding in 2 sticks of butter. This by no means is health food. We're gonna add in the confectioner sugar. This is the stevia leaf sugar, so it is a little bit healthier. I try. But with desserts, they're not exactly all that healthy. I was adding that whole thing in because I was doubling it, and I ended up with a lot of cupcakes. And honestly, that's not enough of the sugar. Okay, lower that down. Some technical difficulties. Here we go. We're going to turn it on. We'll get this going. We're going to put this on medium till about fluffy. And while that's going, I'm going to add in some almond, a little bit of the almond extract and vanilla extract. Oh, this is vanilla paste, sorry. That up. And it is all stuck to the beater. Okay, goody. I'm gonna do a little bit of experiment and add in about 2/3 of a cup of milk and see how this takes it. Because it's pretty much all buttery. So do that. This is still cashew milk, unsweetened. And so just lower that back down. So there's that. I'm gonna lift this back up. Frosting out of the whisk here. With this type of a whisk, it's really fun. And see if I can get this off. And that's pretty much the frosting. So there's the consistency. It is probably a little, and that's what we're going to be frosting the cupcakes with. And thanks for your time.